What's for dinner? Well, it's Taco Tuesday, so we are having some kind of tacos for dinner tonight. Only this time, I'm making a taco bowl. This video is brought to you by Aprondiva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. And in my caraway skillet, I've got a pound of ground beef that I am browning. And I've seasoned the ground beef so far with a little salt and pepper, some garlic powder, and I'm going to cut up an onion and put that in there because I just think an onion just tastes so good with the ground beef in tacos. So let me show you what I've got to put together these taco bowls. First of all, I've got some black beans. I've got some cilantro, which I've removed the leaves from the stems and chopped them up. I've got some lime wedges, and then over here I've got a plate of the grape tomatoes that I kind of chopped up roughly, and then some roughly chopped red and green pepper. It was one big pepper that was red and green. And then I've got some Ben's Original brown rice as the base. So let me go ahead and get this put together. And I've also got a surprise to tuck in the top, so I'll show you that. But let me go ahead and get this part put together. All right, so let's put some rice on the bottom. I feel like I'm at Qdoba. So here's some rice, beans, there's some of the green pepper, tomato, and here's our meat. We'll put some of that in. We'll add some cilantro. Now we'll give this a toss. Now let's add a squeeze of lime. Now I've taken about a quarter cup of sour cream and put it in this jar and added just about a tablespoon of water just to liquefy it just a little bit. And then I added a dash of salt, and maybe I'll even add a pinch of lime juice. And then I will just drizzle this just a little bit over the top of the bowl, and I'll garnish it with a couple of more slices of lime just in case the person wants a little bit more. I'll add a couple of chocolate chips in the center. And of course, we'll have more on the table. And then I've got some little individual servings of guacamole if you want to have that on top. And of course, there's cheese you can put on top as well. I've got some Mexican cheese, but let me show you this. Take a look at this. Look at this beautiful taco bowl. And I will admit this taco bowl was inspired by green healthy cooking. This isn't one of the bowls that she made, but it is a grain bowl because I used the Ben's Original brown rice and the ideas she had about putting everything in a bowl. So I'm really excited about that. And I like corn in my tacos. I usually put the corn in with the black beans, but I wanted something that was sticking up just a little bit. So I took a small ear of corn and cut it in quarters, and this is what I ended up with. And it's perfect to go along with this taco bowl. So I'll be calling my husband into dinner, and we'll be having these taco bowls for dinner tonight. And of course, I do have some taco sauce in case someone wants more of that. And like I said earlier, I've got some guacamole, and we do have some taco cheese if you want to add that as well. So we'll see. So, oh, I guess I should give it a taste. Absolutely delicious and every bit as good as Qdoba. For more homemaking inspiration, click here. I'll see you next time.